You understand? Mama, me pray. But God said take action. God now go sit down and wait for this. God now go sit down and wait for this. Them take me for idiot. Them take me for idiot. Them take me for dunce. They say me dunce and me nah no sense. I saw them pre me. All of them pre me as a dunce. All of them pre me like me nah no sense. Them pre me say me slow. So when them come round me, all of them style me. All of them style me and look down upon me. So the end of the day, when me I do what me have to do, me don't want nobody tell me nothing. Moderator on the Nancy, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, on the Nancy, what go on, man, black them people, yeah, man. You understand what me I say? So when me I do the right thing, why everybody I come off of me know when me I do the right thing? Eh? Why everybody want to take my life? No, when me, yes, so, I do the right thing. Aki want come out with a piece of story, say me there with big man, or my daughter there with big man, and big man pay me, and big man buy me car, and a big man do this, and big man do that. A good thing me chat too much, because one girl on this pan social media will bless me, and me and her cuss and go back and forward. What? Me and a one girl, me can't go tell like, I all I wanna come together and bless me. Me can't do that, that's crazy. But me I tell you about one smaddy that day, two by the way. I mean, I go call out one somebody name because I don't want nobody go up on her. You understand me? I mean, I go big up Vani. Nobody can take where Vani do for me. Nobody can take away that. And when me and Vani cuss go down the road and cuss come back up the road, Vani bless me. When everybody a cuss me and drag me like a dog, me, all of my people, them there for me, you know. All of you guys there for me, you know. But I'm telling you about Vani, something what me never expect that day. Vani run some lion. Cross me scream. Me never see a zoo open up for me so yet. And one more lady did it. But me no want call her name. Right? And that's how me end up by the piece of old Hardy. That's how me by the piece of old Hardy. It was Vani and that same lady and you guys were there so for me. You guys were there so for me. Vani. I Vani. One Vani. And when me and Vani cuss, you can't tell me nothing. Missy Vani run out. And I suck up me by the vehicle the other day. I call. When Vani come back on live, I say, Vani, you know, say me buy one little piece of car. And Vani said, congratulations, Annie. Vani bless me and put me a number one on the ranking with one more person with all of my team. Put me a number one. So when Akiwa come out and I tell you about say, big man, I mean a big man I pay me, I pay some payments for me pitney. I cover up him ass. Akiwa can cover himself. I owe me a take money and who there with taxi man. Akiwa can cover him ass. Him a make sure cover up himself because he know what him do. Him there around me and him see things and him know things. So all him a talk about, oh, big man buy me car and big man give me money. A lie him a tell. A social media me company and wanna bless me. Me not no man, me not no big man, me not no body a give me nothing. I just me and me pitney them and when me make me share betwixt me and my family, bro. So him know exactly what him do. But what him a do, him a turn off he eat from himself. So him want to look like a somebody else out there. We don't know nobody a Christiana. We don't know anybody a Christiana, yes, so. Nobody a Christiana, yes, so we don't know them. The only people we have ourselves and you people on the media, we don't know nobody. People will walk up and say they rate me and them show me love. People hug me. People rate me. People trouble me. I'm a roll through it. So when Aki Walker come and talk about who they with big man, is a wicked blood clot youth. Because me never know say Aki Walker could have tell them the lie there. And that's why maybe hurt me so much. You understand me? I try to talk to him. I don't want to say too much, you know, man. I try to talk to him. I promise you, I try to talk to him. But the day what him do, The day, they can't rub out a maid. You see when I think with family or family fuck up, let me show you no family fuck up. If me and Anna didn't live good, Anna say it. Anna say it. But me think say she cuss me on the media. You know, like media cussing and you want to bring down your mother, because Anna always a bring me down. Anna ever tell some lie. So when Anna say it, me think I bring me down and I go on like you want to tell people lie. You get me, because she already go tell people say me sell her. And she knowing herself say me and it never yet in my life me ever sell one of my pitney. The first time me know say Anna have a boyfriend, me beat her. The first time Anna have a boyfriend, ask her, me Annie beat her. You hear me I tell you? She take gift from the boy and I saw me find out. You understand me? I'm a beat Anna the first time I find out when Anna have a boyfriend. She was 15 years old. And the boy give her the boy give her Valentine gift. And when me see it, me never did see it yet, Me never did see it yet. She put on the thing, she put on the necklace, and she go put on the dress and have on it, and my sister see it. And my sister said to me, say, I feel me sitting them that your daughter have on. And I so come me find out and me beat her, me school her. Me never take one of my pity them go sell to a man. All of when me do what I road dance, go and sell my body. Why should I take my pitney? When man rape me and abuse me, and me I go take my pitney and sell him to a man? Out of when me got through in a life, why should I take my pitney and sell him to him? Just tell me how your stomach was I feel. For your next man go on top of your pitney. Me just ask you as a mother, how would you feel if you know what you got through as a child and you don't get a good childhood, but the next man now come on top of your pitney. You understand me? And me I go sell my pitney and take money from a man to deal with me youth. And that's so me I say to you, say, we don't live good. We really not live good, because if you did pick up all of this as a sister and you come with me there, you don't have to company me there, because me think of views. So if you did call me and say, Mommy, you know, say XYZ, and me pick up it because you pick up it because you is a sister, so uno close. Remember, kids is going to be close, right? So you could have called me and say to me. But at the time when Anna said, me still never believe. Me did that thing say, you know, say, she cuss me because she mad at me. And because we go say, the boy kick her up. So me know, me not think, say, as something really I go so. Me never think that. Me I say, I bring Anna, I bring me down. You understand me? But if we did live good, where you could have said, Mommy, listen to me, no, me see something, you know, Mommy, me hear something. So that's no mother hold on panic, because even when Aki walk look for me and say to me, say, you really believe some mother really do that to your daughter? Me say, no man, I lie she a tell. Me say, I lie she a tell pa you. I've used him and red answer look. And that me say I've used him and red answer look. So me bypass it, I do. Yeah. My birthday are screaming time. Put it in the said what we differentiate screaming time. Screaming time. Say no make no sense. Cut it for them way. And put it out for them way. So them a go once, them a want set you up and put it for them way. I not explain to them, Jaga, I just talk a little bit. I not talk about nothing much. I just talk a little bit. Just a little bit, me talk.